Hello friends, welcome to Maths, my best friend, that is Maths BFF channel. I am Amita. I am going to tell you the coordinate geometry, some facts of the coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, there is the concept of a straight line. Let's quick recap the formulas of a straight line. After that, we will able to solve the questions based on straight line in coordinate geometry. So today's topic is straight line. In Hindi it is called saral rekha. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of a straight line. This is the equation of straight line. So, how to make it? Let's quickly understand it. This is the x-axis, this is y-axis, and the line passing through these two lines. Then the equation of this line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is called the straight line. Now, for the second point, the second formula gives you by the slope or tangent of a straight line. So, slope or tangent of a straight line is m is equal to tan theta. How we get this? Suppose this is the x-axis and y-axis, and this is the line, straight line, which makes the angle theta with the x-axis. So this theta is given by the m is equal to tan theta, which is the slope of the tangent for this line. Now the third point is tangent of line passing through 2 points. Tangent of line passing through 2 points, that is, suppose this is the x-axis and y-axis, and this is line passing through point A. The coordinates of the point A is x1, y1, and the coordinates of the point B is x2, y2. Then the equation of line, then the tangent of line passing to these 2 points, tangent of line passing through to these 2 points, as we know that m is equal to tan theta, and we know that tan theta is nothing but the perpendicular upon base. So here we can find out the perpendicular, which is y2 minus y1, because the distance of this distance here the distance is y1, here the distance is y2. The distance is BC is y2 minus y1, because the distance from the x-axis to B is y2. So that we get what we get? We get here perpendicular y2 minus y1 upon base is x2 minus x1. So therefore the slope of the tangent of the line passing through 2 points A and B is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is the third point. So now we know 3 points for the straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The slope of the tangent is m is equal to tan theta, and when the tangent or the line passing through 2 points, then we have slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, where the points are x1 comma y1 within bracket and x2 comma y2 within another bracket. Now the fourth point is angle between two lines. So angle between two lines is given by tan theta. So angle between the, suppose the angle between two lines, suppose this is the angle theta, so here are the two lines, okay, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, here are the two lines, suppose the L1 and the L2 are the two lines, therefore the angle between these two lines is given by tan theta, it is equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2, m1 minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. We can easily prove the formula. And why we get here minus sign? Because there may be another angle, which is pi minus theta. Suppose this is the theta angle, this is pi minus theta, so in that case it will be tan pi minus theta, and then we get minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m2 into m2, m1 into m2. So here we get two things, okay, two signs like plus as well as minus. Now the fifth point is the constraint for two lines. The meaning of this is, if the two lines are parallel to each other, then the constraint for this will be, what will be the constraint? The constraint will be the slope of the line 1. Suppose this is the line 1 and this is the line 2, and these two lines are parallel to each other, so that the constraint will be the slope of the line 1 is equal to the slope of the line 2. Where, as well as if these two lines are intersecting to each other, suppose this is the line 1, this is the line 2, and these two are intersecting to each other, then the constraint will be m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So in case of intersecting line, we get the constraint m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, and if the lines are perpendicular to each other, crossing to each other and perpendicular to each other, then the constraint is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, and when the lines are parallel to each other, then the constraint is m1 into m2, m1 is equal to m2. Or if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then the constant is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So these two are the constraints. Now the sixth point is equation of line parallel to the coordinate axis. Once the equation of line parallel to the coordinate axis, then the line parallel to the x-axis will be y is equal to plus minus k. Okay, y is equal to plus minus k. If there is a coordinate axis, suppose like this, x-axis and y-axis, and the line is parallel to the x-axis, we can draw like this, as well as here we can draw down, we can draw like this. Okay, so these two lines are parallel to x-axis, and the distance between these two, distance between the line and the x-axis, suppose k, so it will be y is equal to plus minus k, and the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis will be x is equal to plus minus k. Okay, so these two are the equations for the line in case of when it is parallel to x-axis and when it is parallel to y-axis. So these two are the cases. Now the next is equation of line passing through one point. Suppose the line is passing through the point A, then how we can get the equation of the line? We can easily get by y minus y1 is equal to m is the slope of the line, into x minus x1. y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, now if we have equation of line passing through 2 points, if we have equation of line passing through 2 points like x1 x2 and the another point is y2 y1 x2 y2 x2 y2, so that we have the equation C. We have equation of line passing through 1 points, y minus y1 is equal to m into within bracket x minus x1. So here we get y minus y1 will be same, but instead of m we use 2 points, so we will write the value of m, which is the slope of the line, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and within bracket we get x minus x1. So this is the equation of line passing through 2 points. I hope you understand. Now equation of line in the tangent form. Equation of line in the tangent form will be, see here must be tangent, so we know that y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of line in the tangent form. And if it is passing through the origin, the c must be 0. Passing through the origin, in that case c will be 0. C will be origin, we know that 0 comma 0, so here we get the equation of line will be y is equal to mx. This is the another equation. Okay, now the equation of the line in intercept form, it will be, suppose this is intercepting a, here this is a and this is b, this is the length of a, this is the length of b, and this point p is x comma y, so that the equation of this line will be x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So this is the equation of line in intercept form. So equation of line in normal form, so the equation of line in normal form will be x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. So this is the equation of line in normal form. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about these formulas we will describe these formulas with the help of some examples. We will take some examples to describe it. Okay, now if you like it, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.